Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I just received Ipsy Plus for April. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my April Plus box just arrived, and I do want to say this is going to be my last Plus box for a while. I did cancel, and I canceled because they're definitely not going by profile. It's just, Ipsy is disappointing me, and I've been telling you that like the past 4 videos maybe. So I'm just gonna stick with BoxyCharm for now. I may bring them back, this one back later, but I did cancel this one. My glam bags I canceled as well, but I prepaid for an entire year. So one of them is good until August and the other one is good until September. And then my glam bags will be gone as well. So let's see what's gonna be in my last Ipsy Plus. Hopefully they'll go out with a bang for me. That normally is what happens, but let's see. So I've already cut the tape and let's get inside. So there it is, discover yourself. Let's see what we're going to be discovering. So let's go with the bag first. It's already open already. So this is this month's bag for the Plus. It is green. The Plus or the glam bag was purple, and it's about the same size. It just opened this way and it wasn't round. So there's a little difference at least between the two. So here it is. It does have the little wooden pull tab and it does say Ipsy on it. And then opening it up, it's all like a beigeish orange color inside with their logo. So here's the bag for the Plus. And this month's theme is Full Bloom. And do I have pricing this time? Finally, I do. So I will be able to tell you what the price is for everything at the end. One of these I did use points for. So this is not on there. So this is what was in my points. So if you want to see what that is, I'll show you afterwards. So what is in my box? The product that I chose was Sunday Riley Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. And there it is. I've never tried a toner from Sunday Riley. This is valued at $25. It says perfect for all skin types and heaven for oilier complexions. This soothing gel to water formula contains bentonite clay, green tea, and marshmallow extract to chill out redness, reduce excess oil, and tighten pores. That slight cooling effect, so refreshing. So there's that, and I'm used to toners being different. This is actually green. I was not expecting that. That's not funny. That's not funny. It does have a slight scent to it, but it's not too bad. That's a toner? That's weird. I don't know. I guess I'll try it. I'm used to liquid toners or spray toners, but I'll try it. Again, this is what I chose because it was like the best thing for me to choose from my options. So that's what I chose. Valued at $25. So that is the cost of the entire box. So moving forward now, we have a Dose of Color Old Flame Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this guy here is $18. Bold Lip Enthusiast rejoice. This warm, rusty orange shade will be love at first swipe. The velvety smooth formula applies like cream, then dries to a matte finish and feels like second skin all day. Second skin? I have first skin, but it's gonna feel like second skin. Let's see, because I don't know about this dusty rose orange. What color did they say? A rusty orange shade. I mean, it looks kind of like it's like it would be pink, but let's see. Let's see. Oh, that is a, what it says. I don't know about that. It is like an orangish color, but there you go. We don't get to choose the color. So that's the color that came in this bag. Then we have is a Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. Now, the only reason why I'm excited about this is the one end. But that one end is probably not a whole lot of product because it is a double-ended product. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this or just put this in a future giveaway that somebody could utilize both ends. But this is what it looks like. And I'm not going to open it because I don't know just yet if I'll end up just, like I said, having somebody utilize both ends than just the one end, because one side should be a liquid liner and one side should be like a pencil liner. It says double take eyeliner in black, valued at $24. TBH. To be honest, why is there shorthand on here? Like, I barely even figured out what BRB means. So it says TBH. We'd love just one Tarte liner, but two? Yep. Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid liner. So yeah, it has the gel on one side and the liquid on the other. So, okay, so here's the picture of it. So you have the liquid and then you have the gel. So I would use this if it was just this, but I think it's probably only like half the product because it needs half for the other. So I might just let that go to the future giveaway pile so somebody can use both ends. But there's that. So then the next item in here, it says Dutch Dirt Mask. And I'm not too hip on these type of masks, only sheet masks. And that's what my profile is set to. But of course, they don't go by profiles. So here's that. This is valued at $49. Are you freaking kidding me? Dutch Dirt Mask. $49. Alrighty. It says, the secret to a fresh, dewy face. Dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask, Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex, are straight magic for your skin. Wear it for 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin and make large pores a thing of the past. So I just don't like the ones you have to put on your face and then clean off. I'm more a sheet mask kind of gal. That's just how I am. So then the last item in here is the palette, and that is what it looks like on the outside. This guy says that it is valued at $20. It says, consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. The balance of neutrals and bright colors mean that you can play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. And even though they're powders, they feel like creams. Think smooth, blendable, and buttery soft. So when you open it up, where's the bright? Wait, didn't I just read something about being bright colors too? The balance of neutral and bright colors. Where is there a bright color in this damn palette? Can somebody please tell me? Because that looks just like all naturals to me. There is not a bright thing in there, but the packaging. I do think that's really cute that it has the little flamingos on it, but that's the only thing that I think is cute about the palette. I do like that there's lighter colors and they do put that dark color because that's my main pet peeve on palettes, if they don't have at least one darker shadow so I can go into like my corner. I think it's kind of pretty. It's just I don't like this terracotta type color, and yeah. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this because I have so many palettes with the same kind of color scheme that I really need to use. So you might see this in a future giveaway, but So honestly, I'm definitely good with my decision. This box was not like it went out with a bang like most boxes that I end up canceling. So I'm really, really glad that I did cancel, because now I can save the $25 and eventually move it to another subscription that maybe would be different, something for you guys to see something different. So that's what I'm aiming for, and that's what I'm going to focus on. But going over this box one more time, we have this bright and neutral color palette, which there's only neutrals in there. The only thing bright is the packaging. We have a $49 dirt mask, which I think is way overpriced, especially the formula is only to right here. It's not even full. Like with my lights, it is literally down to here. I would not pay $49 for this size, especially being kind of like half full. Then again, this is what I picked. It's a weird kind of consistency for a toner, but I will definitely give it a shot. Then we have this Dose of Color, which is definitely an orangey color. If they're trying to go into spring, this color is a little confusing because that is definitely not a spring color. It's more of a fall color. And then we have the Tarte double-ended liner. So So I will add up my total and I will put that right here for you guys so you know what the total retail value is for this box. And then there's the little bag for this month. So I'm definitely glad that I'm ending my plus, to be quite honest. It's just, plus I have BoxyCharm and I have so much makeup that I don't need anymore. So if you want to see the context matte finish that I got with my points, and there is that. That's the color. And this is in 102 Sweet Emotion. I'm not going to swatch it because I got this to put in giveaways. So there's that. And that is everything that I got this month. It was a little disappointing because the palette, like I said, is just not my thing. And then face masks, I definitely have in my profile not to send me. Liquid liners, I have in my profile not to send me. And lip products, I actually have this particular one, my main one, to say I don't do anything with lip products much. So I tell you, they're not going by profiles. So that is everything. Again, comment down below your positive interaction. It means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. This is going to be my last Ipsy Plus box, at least for a while. Who knows if I'll bring it back again. If you guys do want it back at some point, let me know down below and I will definitely take it into consideration. But as of right now, she's done. So, there you have it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.